In this video, I'll give a brief introduction to econometrics. Econometrics is defined as a social science in which the tools of economic theory, mathematics, and statistical inference are applied to the analysis of economic phenomena. Basically, the need to give empirical evidence to economic theories gave birth to the field of econometrics. We need to know how the econometricians proceed in the analysis of an economic problem. The methodology involves 8 steps. In the first step, we have to establish a statement of theory. I have taken the example of fundamental psychological law given by the Keynes, in which he stated that men are disposed as a rule and on an average to increase their consumption as income rises, but not as much as the increase in their income. We know that the marginal propensity to consume, the MPC, is the rate of change of consumption for a unit change in income. So as per Keynes, MPC should be greater than 0 but less than 1. In the next step, we have to specify a mathematical model for this economic problem. We take the consumption function as y is equal to a plus bx, where b lies between 0 to 1. Here x would give the income and y would give the consumption expenditure. Look at the graph. Here a and b are the parameters of the model. A gives the intercept coefficient and b would give the slope coefficient. And since b is giving the slope, we would see that b measures the MPC. Please note here that x is the independent or the explanatory variable and y is the dependent variable. This is so because first we would get the income, which is an independent variable, and depending on that the person would spend on consumption. So y would be a dependent variable. In the third step, we have to convert this mathematical model into an econometric one. The rule being that relationships between economic variables are not exact. So an econometrician would modify the model as y is equal to a plus bx plus u, where u gives the disturbance term, also known as the error term. Here the error term refers to a random stochastic variable that represents all those factors that affect consumption but are not taken into account explicitly. This was an example of an econometric model, more technically a linear regression model. For the next 5 steps, please go on to my next video. Thank you.